The action camera market is abuzz with anticipation as DJI prepares to unveil its latest innovation, the DJI Osmo Action 6. Following the recent release of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, DJI's swift move to introduce a successor has sparked curiosity and excitement among enthusiasts and professionals alike. This article delves into the available information, analyzing what the Osmo Action 6 might bring to the table. 1. Introduction to the DJI Osmo Action 6. DJI, renowned for its cutting-edge drone and camera technology, is set to expand its action camera lineup with the Osmo Action 6. Regulatory filings with the FCC and SGS have revealed key details about this upcoming device, indicating that DJI is poised to make a significant impact in the action camera segment once again. 2. Anticipated release timeline. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was launched in September 2024, and within a few months, filings for the Osmo Action 6 have surfaced. This rapid development cycle suggests that DJI aims to maintain momentum and address any gaps identified in the previous model. Industry insiders speculate that the Osmo Action 6 could be officially announced in early 2025, aligning with DJI's pattern of swift product rollouts. 3. Design and build expectations. While official images are yet to be released, leaked packaging photos hint at a design evolution. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to retain the compact and rugged form factor characteristic of its predecessors, with potential refinements for improved ergonomics and durability. A 1/1.3-inch sensor with a 155-degree field of view has been mentioned, suggesting enhancements in image capture capabilities. 4. Battery variants and implications. Regulatory documents have listed two battery capacities for the Osmo Action 6. 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This dual-option approach indicates that DJI may offer different models or configurations to cater to varying user needs. The larger battery aligns with the capacity found in the Action 5 Pro, while the smaller one could be aimed at users prioritizing a lighter setup or cost-effectiveness. 5. Connectivity features. The Osmo Action 6 is slated to support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring robust wireless communication. These features will facilitate seamless integration with DJI's mobile applications, enabling efficient file transfers and remote control functionalities. Enhanced connectivity is crucial for users who require quick sharing and editing capabilities on the go. 6. Potential enhancements over the Action 5 Pro. While specific details remain under wraps, several areas are anticipated for improvement. Low-light performance. Enhancements in sensor technology and image processing could lead to better performance in challenging lighting conditions. Video resolution and frame rates. To stay competitive, the Osmo Action May 6 offer higher resolutions and frame rates, catering to content creators seeking superior video quality. Stabilization technology. Building upon DJI's RockSteady stabilization, the new model might introduce advanced algorithms for smoother footage. Audio capabilities. Improved microphone quality and support for external audio inputs could be expected, addressing the needs of professional users. 7. Market positioning and pricing strategy. DJI's approach to pricing has traditionally been competitive, offering high-quality features at accessible price points. The introduction of two battery variants suggests a tiered pricing model, potentially positioning the standard version below $400 and the higher-end model above this mark. This strategy aims to attract a broader customer base, from casual users to professionals. 8. Competitive landscape. The action camera market is dominated by key players like GoPro and Insta360. With the Osmo Action 6, DJI aims to solidify its position by offering a compelling alternative that balances performance, features, and price. The rapid succession of releases indicates DJI's commitment to innovation and responsiveness to market demands. 9. Accessory ecosystem. A robust accessory ecosystem enhances the versatility of action cameras. DJI is expected to continue supporting a range of accessories, including mounts, cases, and external microphones. Compatibility with existing accessories will be a consideration, ensuring that users can seamlessly transition to the new model without significant additional investments. 10. User experience and interface. User-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls are hallmarks of successful action cameras. The Osmo Action 6 is anticipated to feature an improved user interface, possibly with a responsive touchscreen and customizable settings. These enhancements aim to provide a seamless experience for users across various skill levels. 11. Environmental considerations. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, DJI may incorporate eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies into the Osmo Action 6. Such initiatives not only appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, but also align with global efforts towards sustainable product development. 12. Anticipated challenges. Despite the excitement, DJI faces challenges in ensuring that the Osmo Action 6 offers substantial improvements over its predecessor. The company must balance innovation with practicality, ensuring that new features genuinely enhance user experience without compromising reliability or affordability. 13. Community and developer engagement. Engaging with the user community and developers can lead to valuable feedback and innovative applications. DJI might expand its support for third-party developers, encouraging the creation of custom applications and accessories that extend the functionality of the Osmo Action 6. 14. Educational and professional applications. Beyond recreational use, action cameras have applications in education, journalism, and professional content creation. The Osmo Action 6's anticipated features could make it a valuable tool in these domains, offering high-quality visuals and reliable performance in various settings. 15. Final thoughts. The DJI Osmo Action 6 represents a strategic move to reinforce DJI's presence in the action camera market. By addressing previous shortcomings and introducing meaningful enhancements, DJI aims to deliver a product that meets the evolving needs of users. As the official release approaches, the anticipation continues to build, with enthusiasts eager to experience what the Osmo Action 6 has to offer.